So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you a unique strategy which you can actually use CPA grip and actually get CPA marketing offers which you could go on to promoting on this platform right here called Fiverr.com. And this is gonna be an amazing strategy which you want to take advantage of right now, because you're actually gonna be getting organic traffic with this particular strategy and start making some passive income with CPA marketing in the year 2023 and beyond. So guys, make sure you do sit back and watch this video to the end, because this is also going to be an amazing strategy like I said earlier. With that being said, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So first things first guys, you want to make sure you do go on to selecting the CPA marketing offer to promote. And if you're using the CPA grip right now, you just want to cut right to the chase, log into your account, but you can easily create an account by clicking on register now. And right now guys, if I'm logged into my account, what I want to do right now is to just simply go on to selecting an offer which I want to promote right here. And to select that, I am just going to click on offer tools, click on my offers, and I can just simply go on to selecting offers from this particular demographic, which is the United States demographic right there, because I want to just simply select offers from a top tier country. And the United States is an example of a top tier country right now. And I can just simply scroll through guys and actually just look for a sweepstake offer which I can go on to promoting right now. And guys, the best sweepstake offer which I can see right now is this particular offer, which is for a $750 which you can go on to spending towards your summer style. And guys, this is actually a United States offer. It is also an Apple iOS offer and an email and zip submit offer. What this means right now is that your leads must come from the United States. They actually do have to be using an Apple iOS device and go on to submitting their email and zip code while going through a survey using this link right here, which is your unique affiliate link. And if they do that right there guys, you actually do get paid $2.31 for every successful lead that actually fills this criteria right now. So you want to just simply go on to selecting offers right now which you want to promote right here. And basically I like promoting the email and submit offer, which is this offer actually falls into that category, because not a lot of people will be skeptical about submitting their email address or maybe their zip code to actually on a website right there, as compared to maybe the pin submit offers or the mobile credit card details offer right there. So this is actually going to be a cool offer right now to promote. And what you want to do right now is that you just want to copy the link right here to this offer, and you want to just simply head onto a platform such as breezy.io or the site google.com, otherwise known as Google site, to actually go on to creating a landing page. And it's quite easy creating a landing page right now. If you want to just simply know more about creating landing pages, I actually created a video right there in the past on my channel on how you can actually go on to creating a landing page with the help of some landing page builder site right there. So guys, if you do head onto my channel, you can see this video right here which is actually going to walk you through how you can actually create a landing page on Google site, which is site.google.com, that you can use to promote multiple CPA marketing offers. If I do keep on scrolling, this one right here is actually going to help you create a landing page with the systeming.io. And if I do keep on scrolling right here, this one is going to help you with the workflow right here, or the web flow right now. This one is going to help you with the breezy.cloud and create a cool landing page with that particular website, while this right here is actually going to help you with the Google site also. So guys, I've actually created some cool and amazing landing page videos that can actually do help you create cool and amazing or professional landing pages with the help of this particular platform, which is the breezy.cloud and site.google.com and other landing page builder site right here. So I'm not going to dwell much in that right there. You could just simply scroll through my channel and you can then just simply go on to watching such videos. But once you actually do create a cool and amazing landing page with the help of this particular site, you just want to make sure you do go on to linking that landing page with this particular CPA marketing offer. So once that landing page with this CPA marketing offer has actually been linked, we then want to just simply go on to promoting that particular CPA marketing offer. And how do you do that? You want to just simply head onto platforms like Fiverr, and you don't want to just simply go into searching for the online survey. And if you do go on to searching for online survey right now, guys, and I do keep on scrolling, you'll be able to see right here, this person says he will develop an online survey, questionnaire, feedback, and form, poll, and quiz for this particular amount. This person right here says he's actually going to conduct your online surveys with 1,000 audience respondents. And right now, guys, you will be able to see more details and more people right here that are actually enticing you to go on to purchasing their gigs right there. And these are actually going to be organic traffic right now, which you could actually do grab hold of and promote your CPA marketing offer with this exact same strategy. But because you want to just simply go on to minimizing the cost which you want to use for such strategy, which is why you want to just simply stick more with this person right here that is actually offering a low amount of money right here, which is about $5 right now. And you can just simply keep on scrolling, you'll be able to see much more amazing offers right here, which you do get for an absolutely cheap rate. And with this strategy, guys, you're actually going to be able to get a lot of traffic to that CPA marketing offer. So guys, if you do purchase a gig, use that gig for those CPA marketing offer and promote that. Or you may want to just simply go on to using a more free strategy right now, just by heading on to platforms like Twitter right here. So if you do head on to Twitter right now, guys, you just want to go on to the search section or the explore section, and want to just simply go on to type in something like @Gmail. So if I do type in @gmail.com right now, I'll be able to see a lot of posts about @gmail.com, or a lot of posts that people are actually putting their email address right there. So you can see this person actually do have his email address right here in this section. So what you want to do right now is that you just want to go on to copying this email address right here. If I do go on to copying this email address, I'm just going to come right here, open my notepad, and actually do go on to pasting that particular email address right here. And you just want to make sure you do edit this right now. If I do come right here and edit this better, I'm just going to go on to removing the irrelevant section right there, and just going to go on to next. So once that has actually been done, you could also see, if I do keep on scrolling right through, you'll be able to see much more individuals that are actually typing or using that @gmail.com right there. So right now, guys, you might actually be seeing that as people's names right here. You may just want to go on to copying that right now by just simply going to copying it and heading on to your notepad right here, and actually go on to pasting that on your notepad. Then later on, guys, you may just want to go on to drafting an email address which you can actually use to promote your CPA marketing offers to this particular landing email addresses right here. So you want to just simply go on to drafting out one cool and amazing email address that actually has a cool call to action which you can use to promote such offers right here, and send that to this particular email address. So these are actually cool and amazing strategies which you want to take advantage of right now. And once you do this, guys, you should be able to start making some passive income with the help of this platform right here. Is either you do go on to following this platform right here, which I did use for Fiverr, or you can just simply use Twitter to actually generate your traffic to such offers right here using a very easy strategy. So guys, I hope this video have been of help to you. If yes, simply smash the like button, simply subscribe to this channel, and also endeavor to make sure your notification bells are turned on all. Also guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.